Hey guys, welcome to Vision Shares. Today's video is about mutual funds. Now everybody has heard about mutual funds, but not many know what mutual funds exactly is. Now mutual funds by definition is a pool of money managed by a professional fund manager. But in simple words, I would define it: instead of me investing, I just give the money to someone else to do the investing for me. Now mutual funds are of many types, which is why it is an attractive investment. You can choose any mutual fund which suits your investing requirements. You can invest in mutual funds either by one time payment or set up an SIP where monthly a fixed amount is deducted from your bank and invested automatically. So, mutual funds, like I said, is giving someone else the money to invest for me, and that someone else is nobody but a manager of the mutual fund that you selected. The company and the fund manager will use your funds to maximize your profits, which is how you can tell if the mutual fund is good or not by their previous year's profit making. So go ahead, do your research and start investing now.